Problem number 1. Find the rate of flow in cubic meter per second per unit weight meter at the right angles to across the section shown in the figure through permeable soil layer given h is equal to 4 meters, h1 is equal to 2 meters, small h that is 2.75 meters, s is equal to 30 meters, a is equal to 14 degrees, and k is equal to 0.075 centimeter per seconds.
In the figure, S is equal to L cosine alpha. We can use this relationship in order to solve for L. Now, since S is equal to L cosine alpha, we can divide both sides by cosine alpha. Now, L is equal to S over cosine alpha. H is equal to 4 meters, H1 is equal to 2 meters, H is equal to 2.75 meters, S is equal to 30 meters, A is equal to 14 degrees, and K is equal to 0.075 centimeters per second. And we have this formula, Q is equal to KIA, or is equal to, this is equal to K times H over L times A. The solution for this is, first we need to solve for A, and then we will solve for L, then we substitute the value. This is the solution. So first is we have to solve for A, and by geometry we can have the value of A, which is H1 cosine A. Our H1 is given and our A, so we can directly solve for the area, which is 2 cosine 14, and that is 1.941. Second is we need to solve for the L. Because it is slanting, we cannot solve for L directly, so we need to use geometry for this, and this will give us formula L is equal to S over cosine of A, where S is given as well as A. L now is equal to 30 over cosine 14, and that is equal to 30.92 meters. Now that we have the value for A and L, we can now substitute its value to our formula of Q, which is equal to K times H over L times A. Since our K is in centimeters per second and our values for the distance is in meters, we need to convert it to meters, and to do that we need to multiply it to 1 meter over 10 centimeters. So now our value of K is equal to 7.5 times 10 to the power of negative 3 and meters per seconds. So we will now substitute the value of Q, K times H over L times A, that is 7.5 times 10 to the power of negative 3 times 2.75 over 30.92 times 1.941, and now we have the value of Q, which is equal to 0.129 times 10 to the power of negative 2 in cubic meter per second per unit weight meter.